Good morning children. Welcome to our maths class. Take page number 34. Now we are going to see the patterns. See children, patterns. There are two types of patterns. They are growing patterns and repeated patterns. What is meant by growing patterns? If some patterns and designs increase or grow with straight lines and geometrical forms, they are called growing patterns. Next one is repeated patterns. Repeated patterns means if some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called repeated patterns. Geometrical forms of patterns. Listen here, look at this picture. Here square, see here triangle and circle. This is the geometrical forms of patterns. Turn over the next page. See children, continue the growing patterns. Here they have given the patterns. No, you have to continue it. See here, this is one set and this is other set. This one is a third set. You have to draw the 4 of arrows here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, you have to continue the patterns. See the second one. Here 1 tree, here 3, here 5. So you have to draw 7 trees. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the next one. Here 1 blocks is there. Here 2, here 3. Now you have to draw the 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the next one. 1 square. Here 3 box and here 4 box and here you have to draw 6 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See the next one. Continue the growing pattern. Here you have to continue the growing patterns. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, listen, like this you have to draw. You have to continue it, that's all. See the third one. 3, 3, 6 box are there, no? You have to draw 4 box here. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen children, this is the repeated patterns. You have to repeat it, that's all. See here, like this you have to draw and color it. Like this you have to repeat it. Like this you draw the other figures also. See the next one. Patterns are created by combining colors and shapes in different ways. So here they have given the activity. Look at the first one. Match the following and complete the pattern. You have to match it with the patterns. So first one you have to match this. See the second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. Like this you have to match. See the second one. Here also cone, you have to match it like this. See the third one. See the next one. Creating pattern from straight lines. See here they have given some patterns. No, you have to continue the straight line patterns. See the first one. Here what comes? Plus. See the next one. Triangle. Here straight line, circle, straight line, circle, straight line. Then what comes here? Circle. Here square. See the next one, children. Now we are going to see the symmetrical shapes. What is symmetrical shape? Line which divides the figure into two exact halves is called the line of symmetry. இப்போ நம்ம ஒரு ஃபிகர் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை ரெண்டாக ஈக்குவலாக டிவைட் பண்ணி நடுவில் ஒரு லைன் போட்டோம்னா அதுதான் சிமெட்ரி. Listen children, see the next page. Here they have given some images here. You have to complete the symmetrical image. The other half you have to complete and color it. This is the homework for you. See the next one. Draw the lines of symmetry for the following figures. Listen children, here they have given the figures. You have to draw the lines of two equal parts. See, like this you have to divide. You have to divide into two equal parts. See the next one. Like this you have to divide it. See the next one. Circle the non-symmetrical shapes. Here they have given some shapes. You have to circle the non-symmetrical shape. Which one is the non-symmetrical shape? Van. The van is a non-symmetrical shape. So round it. Draw the other half from the line of symmetry to make it symmetrical. Listen children, here they have given some figures. You have to complete the other half. Listen, like this you have to I'll show like this you have to draw and complete.